anniversary to our amazing group.
Happy anniversary, Team Strawberry!
Happy second anniversary, Team Strawberry.
Happy second year anniversary to everyone.
Happy second anniversary, Team Strawberry.
Team Strawberry, happy second anniversary.
Ayan, happy second year anniversary, Team Strawberry.
Happy second anniversary, Team Strawberry.
And happy anniversary.
At happy second anniversary sa Team Strawberry.
Today, Strawberry team has completed 2 years.
Happy second anniversary.
To say a happy second year anniversary to our Team Strawberry.
Happy anniversary, Team Strawberry.
Congratulations, Strawberry Groups has 2 years complete.
Hello everyone! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening po sa inyong lahat. Asan man kayo guys? Andito ako ngayon para magbigay ng isang short message sa isang team na nagse-celebrate ng kanyang ika-second anniversary. So bago ako magbigay ng short message, gusto ko muna mag-thank you sa founder ng team na ito. Founder Ma'am Vine, thank you so much kasi isa ako sa napili mo na mahingian ng short message sa iyong team na nagse-celebrate ng ika-second year anniversary. And thank you din kasi napapasok ako sa team mo. Thank you so much. So, wish ko o message ko sa inyong team Strawberry, sana madami pa kayong matulungan na mga small YouTuber na kagaya ko. Sana dumami pa, madagdagan pa yung mga members ng Team Strawberry. And sana madami pang taon ang dumating sa Team Strawberry para madami kayong matulungan mga small YouTuber. So, yun lang. Thank you so much, Ma'am Vine. Thank you, admins. Thank you, members ng Team Strawberry. And happy anniversary sa team ninyo, Ma'am Vine. Team Strawberry, happy anniversary again. Thank you. Once again, Soneo Vlog from Solid Spicy.
Hello, Sunny Weather 21 Vlog, ang founder ng Solid Spicy. Bagong lahat, happy second anniversary sa Team Strawberry. Okay? Happy second anniversary, Team Strawberry. Yan, sa pangunguna ng ating masipag at mabait na si Vine Legaspi. Siyempre, yung kanyang admin, lahat ng kanyang members. Congratulations at medyo matagal na kayo sa YouTube at medyo matagal na kayo nagsasama dito sa Team Strawberry. Yan, nakakadalawang taon na kayo. Sana mabot kayo ng 20 taon. Alright? At ako'y nagpapasalamat guys at member na rin ako ng inyong team. At salamat sa imbitasyon ni Madam Vine. And then, nakaka-overwhelm kasi tuwing magkakaroon ako ng premiere, nakikita ko yung suporta nyo. Ang daming members ng inyong team, ng Strawberry, na talaga naman, ako'y natutuwa. Kaya naman nagkaroon ng consideration ng inyong lingkod na magkaroon ng 2 lucky chatters. So, tulungan tayo guys at suportahan. Sana mag-grows lahat yung ating channel. And then, of course, magkaroon ng maraming subscribers, maraming WH o what's our na tinatawag. At siyempre, pinaka-importante yung revenues or pera. Okay? Again, happy second anniversary, Team Strawberry family. Sa pangunguna ng inyong masipag at mabait na si Vine Legaspi. 2 thumbs up, guys. This is Sunny Weather 21 Vlog, ang inyong caregiver dito sa California, USA.
Hello, I am Susmita Odhikari from Susmita Odhikari's Kitchen and Blog. Today, Strawberry team has completed 2 years. The owner of this team is Vine sister. She is a very good person and very hardworking. I feel blessed to be a member of this team. I wish the group would be bigger. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I just want to greet one of our team, the team Strawberry, that they are celebrating their 2nd year anniversary, 2 years anniversary for as a group team. And I just want to say thank you to Sis Vine, the founder Vine Legaspi, for having her good program in the team Strawberry, for handling good the team members, and I hope you will share more knowledge in handling the team and having good program in the team, you know. And I just want to say happy anniversary, Team Strawberry. Wish you more success. Wish you more success, most especially to our dear founder, Sis Vine Legaspi. Thank you so much for the treat today, and always take care, and you know, whatever happens, sometimes we are here, we are still intact, and like sabi mo, let guns be bygones, diba? So, and I'm here as a friend, you know, and happy 2nd anniversary to your team, and I hope and I wish that you handle more better your team, and I know it's better, but I hope you will handle more years, more like you share more knowledge in handling your team, and thank you so much. For, ginawa ko to kasi hindi ko na sinasabi na mag-greet ako, but I make this like as a surprise kasi before I don't have time to do it. That's why thank you so much. I'm still here to support, and happy anniversary, and thank you so much, Sis Founder Vine Legaspi of Team Strawberry Admin, and wish you more celebrations to come on your team, and God bless you.
Happy anniversary, Team Strawberry. God bless you and wish you all more followers to come. In Jesus' name. Enjoy ka lang sa computer ninyo for daily views and revenue. Happy 2nd anniversary, Team Strawberry at saka Sister Vine. God bless and thanks for the...
Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum and Namaste all groups admin and Strawberry all teams and Strawberry all admin founder. Congratulations, Strawberry groups has 2 years complete, and everyone congratulations for that. And I have also complete 2 years joining Strawberry groups. I enjoy working with all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you very much supporting my channel. All Philippines friend and all Pakistani, Japani and all country members. Thank you very much supporting my channel Sapomix Vlog. Everyone keep supporting, keep working like this in the groups. Keep moving forward. Thank you very much. Thank you so much supporting my channel Sapomix Vlog, and bye bye once again. Congratulations.
Hello guys, kasama ko si Gian. Yan, si Gian Luis on your live journey Hong Kong. Sinimay namin si Maggie kasi tinrip ko sila 2nd anniversary ng Team Strawberry. Kung nandito kayo guys, sana saway-saway tayo. Saway-saway tayo. Ito, yan. Ayan. Sure. This is Grace. Hello. Magic Vlog.
Happy anniversary! Team Strawberry, Jamie, Tapos ano yung isa? 1 hour lang yung sinari yan.
Siya.
Tapos yung every other day, yung ano yan? Wonderland. Strawberry. Thank you.
Ian Ruiz.
Team Strawberry kain. Ni founder.
Magic Vlog. Rest Maker.
Thank you sa advance patri.
Bakit ganito yung ano pa nga yun ito?
Na-delete ko na.
Magic Vlog. Like Johnny Vlog. Gian Luis. Ayan. This is by legacy of Team Strawberry. Happy second year anniversary Team Strawberry. Yung isa hindi dumating. Not profit.
Pati na yung mga nasa video, no?